For us skinny or high metabolism people, bulking on a vegan diet can be a pain. Not even because we're vegan or plant-based, but because sometimes you just cannot be bothered to eat in the morning. I had a look online to see what you guys were saying and what you guys think, and a lot of you were saying you don't like or don't know what to eat in the mornings, so I've made this video. In this video, you're going to learn 3 simple high-calorie meals that are quick to make, and these are going to help you out gain mass and muscle on a vegan diet. Thank you. Welcome to the Jack Vegan Kitchen. I am the Jack Vegan, and here we make jacked athletes. So if you don't know, your diet is arguably one of the most important parts of your training regimen. So if your diet isn't where it needs to be, if your calories, your micronutrients isn't where it needs to be, you're arguably not going to make as much progress as you should be. So we're here today with the 3 high protein vegan breakfast meals for bulking and gaining mass on a vegan diet. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need: tofu, your preferred vegan milk of choice, sugar, cinnamon, thick white bread, and any toppings you want such as blueberries and agave syrup. You will also need a blender or food processor for this recipe. Add 160 grams of tofu, 80 ml of vegan milk, 30 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon to the blender and blend until smooth. You can also add 1 scoop of vegan vanilla protein powder, but you will need to add more milk. Now start heating up a large pan or wok. Next, pour the mixture into a flat bottom bowl or container. Get your slices of bread and dip each side of the bread into the mixture. Fry the slices until golden and brown. After that, just add toppings. So guys, we just got finished off making the vegan anabolic French toast. As you can see here, it's looking very nice. It's about 800 calories if you're having 3 slices of the bread, and then about 900 if you're having 4 slices of the bread. So depending on how many slices you have and what you're having on top, it's gonna change the calories. But having about 1,000 calories for your first meal of the day with something tasting so good is great. It's a great way to start your day, especially if you're vegan, you're eating clean throughout the rest of the day. This is a great way to start your day and get your calories in, especially if you're bulking. What you'll need: flour, sugar, baking powder, vegan vanilla protein, your vegan milk of choice, agave syrup, and optional toppings such as dark chocolate or blueberries. Oh, and don't forget you'll need a waffle iron, but if you don't have one, you can use the same recipe and make protein pancakes. To make about 3 waffles, first grab a bowl and weigh out 160 grams of flour, 80 to 100 grams of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 35 grams of protein powder, which is just 1 scoop, and then 200 ml approximately of your vegan milk. Now mix until you get a mixture with this consistency. All that's left is to pour your mixture into your hot waffle iron and leave this to rise and cook until golden brown. After that, just add toppings and eat. So guys, we just finished off making the vegan protein waffles, and here they are in all their glory, looking good. And this is the second type of vegan bulking breakfast meal, which is calorie dense. So the first one was tasty, this one is calorie dense. So this is a situation when you're a person that doesn't have a lot for lunch or dinner, so you need to get your calories in if you're bulking in the morning when you have the time. So this is something I go for. This is about 1,000 calories for 3 waffles, and remember, if you don't have a waffle iron, then just make these into pancakes, but it will make a lot of pancakes, so you might get fuller quicker. But yes, this is about 1,000 calories, so a good way to start off the day. And yeah, this is something that I love to go for if I know I'm going to have a low calorie day for the rest of my other 2 meals, so I try to get most of my calories in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this off and then we're gonna move on to the next meal. What you'll need: tofu, bread, baked beans, avocado, and optional toppings you want for the scrambled tofu such as mushrooms, spinach, or tomatoes. Now to make the scrambled tofu, all you need to do is break up the tofu, add what vegetables you want. I added onion, spinach and tomato. I also added a bit of soy sauce for added flavour and then cook until light brown. Meanwhile, you heat the beans up, toast the bread and then spread the avocado. So guys, we just finished making the third vegan bulking breakfast meal, which is of course Tofu Scramble. As you can see, it's looking pretty nice. However, this meal is different to the others because it's not particularly in any category. It's kind of a bit of everything. It's really tasty. It's got high calories, not extremely high, 800 calories in this meal, but not extremely high, like 1,000. And it's pretty fast to make. It's not the fastest, but it's nowhere near the slowest. So it's a bit of everything. So this is what I've most consistently had over the last year where I've been bulking and gaining muscle. It's this tofu scramble with the Heinz, it's got the avocado, it's got all of that, and you can swap out stuff every now and again, so you can switch it up. But again, this is what I've most consistently have because it's got a bit of everything. But if you're someone that's big on taste, then maybe go for the anabolic French toast, or if you really just want calories in, then maybe go for the waffles. But I kind of tend to go for just the middle ground, and this is usually what I go for. So I'm gonna finish this and then we can head on to the next meal. Lastly, for the granola bowl, we have the granola, of course. We then have mixed fruit. I used bananas and raisins. Then we also have nuts and seeds. I use almond flakes and pumpkin seeds. And then we also have the vegan Greek yogurt. So guys, I'm gonna be real with you. I just sunk about 3,000 calories in the space of 3 hours, and I've still got this to go, so we'll be nearing 4,000 calories, and it's not even 6 o'clock yet. So please leave a like for this apparent food challenge I've been doing today. So guys, click here to watch this video because it's gonna help you understand how exactly to bulk up on a vegan diet, and it shows exactly how I was able to do it and gain this amount of mass. But anyways guys, I've been the Jack Vegan. Thank you for joining me at the Jack Vegan Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in the next one.